guys, it's Jamie Jo from Jamie Jo Sells Wax, and today you can see the big giant box so you know exactly what is happening. Today is an unboxing, so let's see what is in this giant huge box of Scentsy stuff. I mean, I already know, but I want to show it to you. Guys, this is a really cool order delivery because it is for my husband's brand new office. So my husband owns a landscaping and construction company here in Northeast Oklahoma. He has always shared office space with other businesses, but they just got their brand new, only them office space, and it is time to Scentsify that place because we're talking dirty, sweaty, stinky dudes dealing with dirt and nastiness all day. So we need to get some good smelling stuff up in there. And he knew just who to talk to, of course, because he's married to me. But a lot of the stuff in this box is for him. But what's so cool about it is I was able to get everything that he wanted for his new office for half price. And then I got a bunch of stuff for myself for completely free. Now, how is it that I can do that? It's because I'm a Scentsy consultant and I have a partnership with Scentsy. That means I can choose how to run my business. I mean, within their rules, of course. One of the things that I often do is I always leave an open party on my website. So I have a lot of customers that just like to shop online. They don't want to, bother me by shooting me a message, which isn't a bother at all, but that's what they say. They don't want to bother me with shooting me a message about their order, so they just jump on the website and do it themselves. And I have asked them, anytime they do that, to always choose a party order because maybe it's for a hostess that could benefit from a few extra sales, or in cases like this, it earns me just a few more perks in the business. I can utilize adding together all those orders to get freebies, half price, which I often pass on to my customers with some little goodies in the mail and stuff. So let's go ahead and dig in. I told you a lot of this is for my husband's office. Some of it is for me as well. I use all the free stuff for household uses that we have around here, but the rest is for his office. Now this is the whiff box, and I'm not even going to open it because that's going to be a whole different video. But the whiff box is our monthly surprise box of goodies. I have not even looked at any of the sneak peeks. I'm going to see what is in that. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going to start up a new one for you guys. So make sure that you look for the video of the July whiff box coming soon. Okay, for me, washer whiffs. I use these every single load of laundry. They make my laundry smell so, so good. I also have the laundry liquid. That is for us. I call her the laundry fairy. I mean, friends, it's just me. But it sounds so much better to call her the laundry fairy. And I just realized I have this camera holder in my shot. Well, we just gonna have to deal with that. Anyway, I just screwed the camera back quite a bit because I wanted to make sure that you guys saw everything that was coming out of the box. But now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm gonna scoot that camera up just a touch. Bear with me. We're not super high quality around here. We just do it like it comes. Nothing special about me, friends. I'm just an ex-kindergarten teacher that decided to join a partnership with Scentsy. So there you go. That's the amount of high quality that you get. Okay, the first thing that I have for his office is a whole bunch of fragrance flowers. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 more in here. 6 fragrance flowers. The 2 women that work in his office, his 2 secretaries that work in his office, love these fragrance flowers. So I assured them that I would hook them up with some good smells. Let me show you what a fragrance flower is, and then I will explain the fragrances I chose for him, or I guess for them, because they got to pick. Okay, so this is a fragrance flower. I'm not gonna mess with taking it out of the box. It has a wick on the bottom. So it is made of sola wood, which are hand tied in India, handmade in India. I can't get that in there right. And then they come with a jar of oil, and you get to choose your fragrance. So you just take that flower and you put the wick down in the oil. It smells so, so good. What we love about the fragrance flowers is how long they last. We're talking 2 to 3 months for one fragrance flower. So they have a great scent life, and that's why it's a perfect choice for them at their office. So we did 2 Coastal Sunset, 2 Blue Sage and Tonka. That's another Blue Sage and Tonka. What other fragrance did we pick? That's Coastal Sunset. Daydream Oasis. So the ladies in his office, and actually him as well, so for the whole office, they prefer woodsy fragrances. And while in the fragrance flowers, we don't have any like super woodsy ones, those are the most woodsy of the fragrances available. Now in the winter, we do have some really good, usually a very snowy spruce fragrance flower, different ones like that. But for the summertime, that's the best I could do for a woodsy fragrance. But those will go in each of the girls' offices, and also they put one of those in the bathroom. So each of those rooms have 2 fragrance flowers. That's going to give them probably up to 6 months of fragrance. And like I said, we were able to snag those at half price. So an amazing, amazing deal. All right, I did get them a warmer for their office. Let's unbox this gorgeous warmer and look at it. I'm going to move this big giant box. Hopefully not knock over my coffee. All right, now I have a little more room. This warmer is called Shining Light. It's absolutely gorgeous. So their office is very clean line, somewhat minimalistic, but it is a landscaping office, a landscaping company. So also, you know, kind of outdoorsy, that type of feel. So this is what I chose for them. I didn't even give him a say. He just got what I got him. Ooh, this one is wrapped up good. We have the light bulb down in there. So this is the glass tube that goes in it. There's my light bulb. Oh, this is gorgeous. I thought it was just regular glass, but you can see it's like a hammered glass. How beautiful is that? So that's the interior of it. There's no way I'm gonna get this back in the box. I'm glad it's for him, because this would be a nightmare to box back up. Okay guys, look at this. This is so pretty. You can't even tell from there. I know it. I know it. I'm looking to see if I have a plug handy, because this definitely needs plugged in. So much wrapping. Okay, this one also comes with Edison bulb, I believe. It does, it does. So the Edison bulb, like the old filament bulbs, is a 40-watt light bulb. It's the highest wattage of a light bulb that we have. But we have to use a higher wattage light bulb on those because all the ones that have the Edison bulb in there there's a lot of glass on them, and that lets heat escape. So there is a sticker that tells me which side of the glass to put up, so I'll pull that sticker off. But look how beautiful this warmer is. And then it has a little top that sits on top like that. This is going to be absolutely perfect for their office. I'm going to see if this cord will reach behind me. I think it will. I think it will. Trying to see where my other plug was. All right, let's get this plugged in. Make sure I don't dump it over or make it fall over and break. All right, guys, here we go. How gorgeous. It doesn't even really pick up on video, but it has that beautiful Edison bulb, so you can see the filament in there. And then, you know, I had to get fragrance for him. and cotton cleanups. Guys, I didn't even put the dish in that warmer. You guys are like, where's the wax go? Okay, dish goes on top of the glass, then the lid. So there we go. So I told you guys, woodsy fragrances, that is what we went with. We've got some Mystery Man, or as I like to call it, Channing Tatum out of a shower. We have some Bonfire Beach, Blue Sage and Tonka, White Amber and Teak, Sandalwood and Tangerine, and Coastal Sunset. So if you love woodsy fragrances, there's my 6-pack pick for you right there. These are the best of the woodsy fragrances. So Paul is going to be so excited. The girls in his office are going to be so excited. It's going to smell so yummy in there. I'm going to go ahead in this video, run it up to them so they can start smelling those awesome scents. But like I said, make sure that you look for my video on the July whiff box. You guys are going to want to see what is in that. Just a reminder, you can order anytime at JamiJoSellsWax.com or shoot me a text at 918-888-9690. My name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy because his office is going to smell a lot better, but also show you the perks of being a Scentsy consultant, of putting together all those orders and scoring on some half price and credit.